Alright, so welcome to this tutorial. In this, you will learn about curriculum of MB-200 exam. So let's start. The first one is perform discovery, planning and analysis. So in this certification, this is a theoretical part. So it means a lot of theory on planning, analysis, and also the different things that you must accomplish before you can implement or deploy Dynamics 365 and Power Platform. So in this, first we'll talk about create and validate documentation. We'll talk about high-level entity relationship diagram, how you can create and document mockups, how you can document data for migration and integration, determine the out-of-the-box functionalities available, how to validate functional requirements. If you're a functional consultant, this can be really helpful. When you are a functional consultant, you prepare for POCs, right? Proof of concept. So you will learn about different artifacts of a POC for functional solution design. We'll discuss about the different collaboration tools available so you can collaborate well with customer as well as with internal team. You will see why audit is so important and how you can perform an audit. We'll discuss about the artifacts to be recorded in change log and why it is important to maintain change logs. We'll discuss about managed and unmanaged solutions and also the components of entities available. So it's more on the planning side and theoretical in nature. The next one is manage user experience design. In this, the first is create and configure apps. In this, you need to learn how to configure settings to meet minimal requirements, how you can sign up, how you can create dashboards, forms, charts, reports, views, how can you design a sitemap, how you can import and export field translations, how to configure mobile settings, and also learn about app designer. After that, you learn about creating and configuring templates. So there are a lot of templates available in Dynamics 365 that you can configure. These includes email templates, Excel template, Word template, mail merge template, article templates, entitlement templates and campaign templates. After you learned about these templates, the next step is to learn about processes. The major processes that are available are workflows, business rule, and business process flows. So these are three important components that you will learn to automate certain areas of the business, also define systems and processes so that user can complete a job without any challenges. Once you complete this topic, the next topic is all about managing entities and data. So first is how to modify an existing data model, which includes how you can create and modify entities in Dynamics 365, how can you create and modify fields, and how you can modify and create relationships. After that, you learn about import and export data. So Dynamics 365 allow you to import data from different applications. Okay, so we'll discuss about the ways you can import data, how you can export data from Dynamics 365 in different ways. Also, we'll discuss other topics of data, which is duplicate detection, bulk record deletion, and how you can mitigate excessive database growth so you optimize resources and don't spend too much on unnecessary storage. The next one is implementing security. So first you will learn about configuring security in Office 365, which is also known as Microsoft 365 Admin Center. So we'll discuss about different roles available. Also, we'll discuss about Dynamics 365 Admin Center administration and how you can manage users in Dynamics 365, teams in Dynamics 365, and also the security roles. Also, how to configure security settings in terms of field level security as well as hierarchy security. So that's something to learn in this module. After the security, the next is integration. How to integrate Dynamics 365 with other applications. So first we'll discuss about configuring app for Outlook. So Dynamics 365 app for Outlook system requirements, hardware, software, and how to configure it with Dynamics 365, how to configure email integration, and how to integrate with Office 365 applications like SharePoint, OneNote, OneDrive for Business. So these are the apps you can integrate with Dynamics 365. Also, you will learn about Power Automate. So you will learn how to create, configure, and maintain Power Automate flows. So in this, you must know what is Power Automate, how you can create a flow from scratch or using a template. The next is perform solution deployment and testing. So in this, first you should know how to manage environment. It means you need to know about solutions, how to create a solution, how to export and import a solution, what is a publisher, how to create a custom publisher, how you can distribute solutions and patches, and also you should know about cloning, and finally how to administer and configure environments. The next one is manage applications. So you should know how to manage applications using Dynamics 365 Admin Center and using solutions. After that, you must know how to configure and perform system administrations. So there are a lot of configurations that you can do. So you need to know about connection roles, languages and locals, currencies, subjects, custom help, how to configure session and inactivity timeouts, how to manage audit settings, configure auditing in Dynamics 365, audit user access. You should know how to manage audit logs. Also, different types of search is available. So you should know how to configure quick find, categorized, and relevant search. Then you need to know about performance tuning and optimization testing under perform quality assurance. Plus, there are some additional topics, which is Dynamics 365 portal. What are the different types of portals available and the steps to configure those portals, and also the basics of Dynamics 365 model driven app. Plus, there are few more that you must know. So this is a detailed curriculum of MB-200 exam, but the exam is not just limited to this. So if you go to Microsoft MB-200 website, you will see that this is the exam curriculum, but it is not limited to just these topics. So you must learn about these topics. Plus, you should also know about different functionalities of Dynamics 365 and Power Platform. So that's it for this video, and I will see you in the next video tutorial.